Top 5 Rice Cookers in 2022. Rice preparation is much simpler than it appears. After some measuring, rinsing, adding water, simmering, and steaming, you will be finished in a little under a half an hour. Rice cookers are a lifesaver for a good number of people. They are essentially a specialized form of electric cooker, like to a slow cooker or pressure cooker, but their primary purpose is to produce fluffy rice that has been cooked to perfection. They can either be extremely straightforward, with just 2 options for cook and keep warm, or they might be more complicated. Here are the best rice cookers for 2022. The video is going to be very beneficial, so make sure you stick to the end. Before we continue to our video, make sure to smash the like button, subscribe to our channel, and hit the bell icon to never miss any of our future uploads. Now let's get started. One, Toshiba Rice Cooker. If you need a BST6 UP rice cooker, then no one is reliable than the Toshiba Rice Cooker. In 1955, Toshiba introduced the first automatic electric rice cooker and has been at the forefront of innovation for more than 140 years. Japanese style rice cooker has industry-leading 6-step cooking technique and 3D cooking technology. Rice will always be perfectly fluffy, which is due to the steam valve and inner non-stick pot. White rice, brown rice, mixed rice, short or long grained rice, oatmeal, and porridge may all be cooked to perfection using one of the 7 per-program settings. Rice prepared for a family serving is 12 cups. The keep warm setting activates automatically when cooking is complete, holding contents at an ideal serving temperature for up to 24 hours. The rice cooker has 2 delay time options. Set the timer to allow rice to be ready when needed. The Toshiba Rice Cooker has a quick rice feature. The specially designed sensor accelerates the cooking time to 30 minutes. When you add rice and water in the morning, you can have wonderful rice ready to eat when you get home. Steam rises through the vent while you cook without bubbling over or messy overflow. 2. CUCKOO 6 UP Rice Cooker. If your kitchen is in demand of BST CUCKOO Rice Cooker, the highly recommended one is CUCKOO 6 UP Rice Cooker. It contains 1200 watt capacity and modern LCD display. It features a flexible multi-cook function that lets you make 13 different menu items, including white rice, gaba rice, porridge, burnt rice, sticky rice, baby food, reheat, and more, including everything from oatmeal to quinoa. With a generous 12-cup cook capacity, this rice cooker offers the ideal serving size. It is very easy to use, has a digital controls, a contemporary LCD display in it, a rice measuring cup that is provided for accurate measuring, and fuzzy logic technology are just a few of the features that make creating meals quick and easy. Cooking and cleanup feature is a breeze thanks to the non-toxic, highly durable inner pot, the auto-clean feature that steam cleans your cooker's interior, and the detachable excess water drainage tray. With over 40 years of expertise in the market and a reputation for high quality, CUCKOO has mastered the art of making items with integrity. 3. Black & Decker RC503 Rice Cooker. You are in look of BST budget rice cooker, then Black & Decker RC503 Rice Cooker is superb for you. This little rice cooker has the capacity to make anything from 1 to 3 cups of rice at once. It works wonderfully both as a single serving and as a supper for 2. Rice that is always ready to be served thanks to an automatic keep warm function. When the cooking cycle is finished, the function to stay warm is activated on the rice cooker automatically. As it is a non-stick rice cooker, so the non-stick rice pot is totally detachable for easy dishwasher washing. Included spoon and measuring cup. The included measuring cup makes it simple to prepare the ideal quantity of rice for cooking, and the plastic serving spoon protects the non-stick bowl from being scratched by accident. It has an indicator lights. Different colored lights show when the machine is cooking rice or keeping it warm. It features 2 different heat settings. The rice cooker will stop cooking once all of the moisture has been absorbed, and then it will switch to the warming mode. 4. Zajirashi and STS C10 Mikam Rice Cooker. Zajirashi and STS C10 Mikam Rice Cooker is the BST Japanese rice cooker of 2022. Not only does the Mikam rice cooker and a warmer produce perfectly cooked rice, but it also comes equipped with a steaming basket that can be used as a steamer and a cake menu setting that can bake cakes. It is based on Japanese design, has an automatic heat system, and is very easy to clean due to stainless steel. It has an integrated power cord that can be retracted for convenient storage. It is based on microcomputerized fuzzy logic technology, along with its adaptable steam menu setting. It can also function as a steamer. Exterior side is made of clear-coated stainless steel that is simple to clean and wash. Another feature is that it automatically stays warm, prolonged keep warm and reheating cycle. The tune and the beep signal are interchangeable. It has the ability to prepare several variety which includes white/sushi, mixed porridge, sweet, brown, cake, steam, and quick cooking. 5. Aroma Housewares Rice Cooker. If you want to be ST rice cooker overall, which has all the features of cookers mentioned above, then the highly recommended on for you is Aroma Housewares Rice Cooker. It has a major feature of 7 automated control S. Whether you are in the mood for steamed vegetables, white rice, brown rice oatmeal, or risotto, you will be able to prepare all of these dishes with the help of this perfect programmed cooker. The possibilities are as creative as you are. It can hold up to 8 cups of cooked rice, or 4 cups of uncooked rice, and has a capacity of 2 quarts, making it suitable for both individual and family use. A remarkable feature is its extra durable coating. This coating is 8 times stronger, making it scratch resistant and easy to clean. It makes a life that is consistently healthier. It also includes the ACCS SORES, which are a non-stick inner pot, rice measuring cup, a plastic rice spatula, and a steam tray. All parts are BPA free. The product links are below in the description. Hope you guys enjoyed our video. Make sure to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon for more videos. Thanks for watching and have a wonderful day.